Times are hard and money is scarce, so almost everyone is on the lookout for opportunities to earn more money. Some people say it is hard to start a business because it requires too much capital. Some say they do not even know what business they should go into. The popularity of the internet has opened doors and a variety of money-making opportunities for people who are willing to explore such possibilities. A person needs to have access to a computer with an internet connection to be able to make money using the internet. It would be better if he has his own computer with an internet connection at home to maximize the time he spends earning money. Blogging is the rage among internet users today. A blog is much like a website where a person or a group of persons can input articles, photos, and other information. A blog is much like a diary, although it is more than that, and it is done using high technology. Various blogs have sprouted on different topics like cooking, environment, animals, travel, songs, and every topic under the sun. Any person can have his own blog, and he can update it as frequently as possible. Blogs may seem like personal diaries of people depending on their interests, but this is fast becoming a method of earning money using the internet. Some people are actually making money in blogging, and this has been the cause of envy of most people who could not help but ask how they do that. Blogging presents an unlimited money-making potential. Some make money from advertising. Like the traditional newspapers and magazines, marketers are starting to realize the value of directly placing advertisements in niche blogs. A person who writes a blog on digital cameras, for example, can make money placing advertisements of various digital camera brands. Some companies place their ads on blogs indirectly by asking bloggers to write about topics related to their company. Some blogs earn income by displaying links with affiliate programs. Some bloggers have become creative and offer how-to articles and seminar-type articles on their blogs. People who write very well are sometimes commissioned by big companies to write blogs for them, and they are being paid on a per blog or even on a weekly basis. There are companies who shy away from traditional advertising, so they establish their own blogs. These companies require bloggers to maintain such blogs. Some bloggers rely on the generosity of their readers who donate money to their blogs. Some people have even quit their regular jobs and have become regular bloggers. Blogging is currently the rage among internet work-for-hires. However, there are a lot of other money-making opportunities using the internet. Any person can do paid surveys, do cold calls, or perform data entry work for other people using the internet. The internet offers unlimited potential to anybody who wants to earn money, but it requires creativeness, industry, and loss of sleepless nights looking for these opportunities all over the internet.